What about this one? What should I write here? This line, where does this point lie? What lies in between 36 and 45? What's the calculation? Between 36 and 45 we have comma. Till where does this end? What's the value here? 12. No, no, sorry. It is 40.5 students. 40.5 comma 12 is the answer. Okay, 40.5 comma 12. If not, just copy this table. Whatever table is given here, 40.5. We should write like this, 40.5 comma 18. This is the answer. Bhargavi, did you send the graph? Yesterday's graph? Where's the scale? Why another page? Bhargavi, no space here to write. Okay, what I have done is fine, but where is this? You have to write the scale on the graph sheet. Okay. Right hand side, only table students. Remember right hand side table. All this your teacher would have taught. You all are in 9th standard. Still, if you all don't understand, I don't know what to teach you all. Hmm? In class, already ma'am would have taught you all what to do. Draw the graph. You should write the scale on the graph. Right hand side, only table should be there. Is Kia online? Yes, Kia, can you respond? Yeah, good evening, Kia. Were you there yesterday? Where's the graph? Graph sheet? Why you didn't send it? Yesterday? Yesterday. What about yesterday? Yesterday. When did I ask to send, Kia? When did I ask you to send? Today? Tell me properly. When did I ask you all to send the graph? When did we complete it? Huh? So you do one thing, Kia. You join tomorrow. Okay. If you're lying like this, you join tomorrow. Or if you're not able to understand what I'm telling, you can join tomorrow. Go through today's record. Yesterday you didn't have. Yesterday you it was not. You didn't have phone to send. Hardly 2 seconds, Kia. Just take a pic and send for that. If you're so lazy, I've removed few students. I've removed 3 students. You send it today, okay? You send and you can rejoin. Why do you have to redo? Already you have done, right? Where is that graph? See, once or twice I can give excuse, students. From past 3 4 months, you are not sending homework. Graph is not done. If I teach construction, you are not concentrating. Construction, you are not sending. See, this is the last chance, Kia. This is not the first time you're telling me. You give the same excuse. Even test paper, you do the same thing. No phone. What? Every day you don't even get for 5 minutes to take a pic and send. Then not your phone. Even with your mom's phone, you can't send it, or some other number you can't send. Don't know what effort is required for this to whatever will complete to just take a pick. What effort is required? If you're not doing it for yourself, then I don't know for what you are attending tuition. See, I removed those two students. Still, they haven't sent me the graph, which shows that they didn't complete it. Angel didn't complete, even Island didn't complete. Look at the third question, students. Look at the third one, all of you. 140 to 145. Okay, how do you write this table before 140? Before 140 to 145. After that, we have 145 to 150. Tony, can you see the numbers? Numbers are getting repeated here. 145, 150. Next, we have 155 to 160. Which means this 140 also will get repeated. You'll have 140 here. And what's the difference between 150 to 140? What's the middle term we have? 5. 145 minus 150, 145 minus 140 is 5. So what's the extra value we'll get here? It should be from 135 to 140. This is the value. You should take one extra value, 135 to 140. Okay, now this is not required. This is just for graph. We need to draw a table. We need to draw a table. In that table, what lies between 140 and 145? How do you do the calculation, students? 145 minus 140, what you will get? Divided by 2, you get 2.5. Add 2.5 with 140, what do you get? 142 point. This is the value we need. This is the table you have to create. Add the 2.5 with 145. 0.5. Other numbers will be same. 24, 32 will be same. Tell me the next one. 152.5. Next, 5. Last one, 5 divided by, down it is 44. Draw this table, all of you. First complete this. Left hand side we have height. First box we have height. Second box we have number of boys. Yes, Kia, now you have sent a message from WhatsApp to let you in the meeting. And then, what kind of reasons you're giving? For each and everything, you had reason, but you have sent the message through your phone, and you don't have phone to send homework. Fine, Kia. See, if you wanted to live, you'll have multiple reasons. Okay. Okay, you send it. You send the homework from next time. You told no phone, but now you have sent a message to let you in the meeting. Okay, fine, Kia. So, what are the values, students? Before 140, does 140 start from 0? Does it start from 0? Where did you learn Bhargavi? 140, does it start from 0? Huh? No, right? 140. If it is 0 to 10, now this value, does it start from 0? Which value starts from 0, Bhargavi? First or second one? That's what I asked. You're telling 140 starts from 0. If no value starts from 0, don't take the first column, student. Just draw a line like this, leave it empty. From the second column, from the second one, see 140 it started, 140. Don't start 140, start from 135. Start from 135. Okay, draw a line, start from 135. All of you will start plotting the graph. 135, 140, 145, 150, 155, 160. Same thing, whatever we'll do two graph today, send a pic as soon as you complete. If not, tomorrow I won't let you all in the meeting. If you're just sitting and watching, better go through the recording, students. Don't waste your time. Next, up to 165. You'll have up to 165. Take up to 170. 165, 170. This is left hand side. Don't start it now. First look at the screen. All of you understood this? Why I started from 135? You should take one value extra. That is what I have written. Next, what about this? This comes in x-axis, this one in the y-axis. What is the least number we have in y-axis? What's the least number? Highest number? 44. And all the numbers, which time table does it go? All the numbers goes in which time table? 2 times, or there's one more table, 2 or 4. If I take 2 times table, each box, look at this left hand side. What's the maximum number I have? 44. So the first one will be 2. The next box will be, according to 2 times table, what's the next box? 4. 6. Next one? 8, 12, 16, 18. Doesn't it look too big, students? Up to 44 if I write. Doesn't it look too big? So which time table should I take? 2 times table or 4 times table? 4. If it is 8 times table, you can take even 8. Check 8. Is it divisible by 8? No. So you take 4 times table and complete it. Yes, all of you will take 4 times table. What do we get? 4. Next one. 8, 12, 16. Next. 20. After that, 28, 32. Even this looks lengthy, right? Up to 44. It looks lengthy. Okay, fine. Take student 36, 40, 44. 40, 44. But compared to 2 times table, this is fine. X and Y. Yes. Don't write it. Don't write. You'll do it from the beginning. First, concentrate here. Next, from 140 to 145, what's the value we have? 140 to 145? 24. Look here, all the way up to 24. Like this. Next one, it is 32. Use a scale. Use a scale while drawing it. Is this clear? Do you have any doubts? What about Tony? Did you understand? Yes, Island. I've already started Island. It's been 20 minutes. I'm recording the class. I'll upload. You can watch it later, Island. Okay. From tomorrow onwards, send it regularly. Okay, you can leave. Go through the recording. Next, 150 to 155. What's the answer? It's up to 60. Will you complete this graph, all of you? Will you complete it? And write the scale, students. That's the reason I told you. Yesterday, if you are practice, you will definitely know how to do this. Complete it. I'll give you all 5 minutes time. I'll just be back. Okay, complete. And try the next one, students. Try even the fourth one. 35 to 40 is given. So before 35, take another value, 30 to 35. Try third and fourth question in the same graph, or you no, it requires two graph. Those are completed third one. Start the fourth one. I'll do both together. The students done, completed? Just quickly, what about Tony, Ananya done? Next, from 150 to 155. Even today you'll have to send it. Whatever you're doing now, you have to send it. From 155 to 160, we have 20. So till here. Then from 160 to 165, 44. 44 is the maximum value. Like this. Yes. It's not homework, Bhargavi, classwork. I didn't give it for homework. I told you to do it now, right? Oh. Which homework you're talking about? Yesterday's? Okay, fine. Complete and send it. What's the last value? After this, what do we do, students? We need to draw a line. Can you see the middle point for everything? Right? So just connect this middle line like this and end it here. Next, end it here. Here you have to end this part here. In between, end it in the between. Between 135 to 140. Between 135 to 140. Now let us write the values. Look at the values. What value should I write here, students? 24. What's the value we have? 142.5, comma 24. Respond all of you all. For the next one, what should I write? 15 minus, comma 32. Write this 5 marks quest, 4 or 5. You'll get graph for 4 or 5 and construction for 3 or 4 marks. Out of 50 marks, it is very easy to score 8 or 9 only through graph and construction. You have even for final exam. Okay, next, fourth question. I'll erase this, fourth one. Okay, for the fourth one, first I'll write the table. Look at the table. 35 to 40. What lies between 35 to 40, students? 5. Difference is 5. 5 divided by 2. So the difference is 5. Look here, 35 to 40. The next question, we're doing this question. The difference between 35 to 40 is 5. 40 minus 35 is 5. Divided by 2. You get 2.5. This 2.5 add with all the numbers. What do you get when you add with all the values? Yes, respond all of you. 37.5. Next. 1 minute. 37.5. Next. 42.5. Just add 2.5 with everything. 42.5. 50 and 57.5. Then what do we have? Values. See, values are same. Values are same. That's it. We no more use this, student. This is only for to draw line graph. 37.56 for line graph. Just ignore that. Plot the x-axis and y-axis. Okay, till the last mark it as x and here as y. Okay, the first one should be on the x-axis, second one on the y-axis. Before 35, what number do we have before 35? 30 to 35. So start from 30, students. Does it start from 0? No, right? So leave the first box. Start from the second box. What should I write here? 30 or 35? I just put 30. 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Right up to 65. Next, left hand side, one box. Does it follow any table? As a 17 going 3 times table? Then how is it 3 Bhargavi? What about 8? Alright, all the numbers should be divisible. So can we use 3 times table here? No. 3, 4, 5, nothing. So there is no table. What's the least number we have? 3. And what's the highest number? 30. In between 17, 8, all these are not 3 times table. You can't use 3 times table. Instead of that, start from 5 students. One box, take it as 5. 5. What will be the next one? 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. All of you did the same way to plot the graph. Then 35 to 40. Look at 35 to 40. We have 6. After 5, one line. 6. This is the answer. Then 40 to 45. We have 17. After 15, two values. Take 17. Then we have 30. That's the maximum. 30. From 50 to 55, we have 8. That is just below 10. Then from 55 to 60, we have 3. That is just below 5. Like this. All of you will complete it till you are done. Same thing. Then keep a point on all the middle values, students. All the middle values will keep a point. And from 30 to 35, that middle line, just draw a line like this. And end it after 60. 60 to 65, there is a middle line, end it out there. And write the values. Now just tell me the value for 30. For 30, what will you write? Go back to the table. For 30, what do we have? 0.5 comma 30. Tell me for the first one. What is first one we have? 37 point. 37.5 comma 6. That is the reason we write this table. To plot the line graph, we write this table. Okay, that table is nothing but the middle value. Calculate and always take the middle value. Is it clear? All of you understood? And from this bar graph, what's the x-axis we take? X-axis, what did we take? Weight or number of workers? I took weight. And y-axis? Number of workers. Let us write the scale now. Don't write scale in different pages, different notebook, or don't write in your textbook. Write the scale on the graph sheet. Don't give me reasons tomorrow, right? That you have written, you missed out. Look here, scale. X-axis. Start with x-axis, students. Each unit, what's the value I've taken for 1 unit or 1 centimeter? One box, what's the value? See, 30 to 35. Then we have 35 to 40. What's the difference? That is what. Don't write 1 centimeter is equals to 30. This is wrong. 1 centimeter is equals to 5. And what's the y-axis we have taken? Weight is what's the unit for weight? Kg or centimeter? 5 kg. Understood? Y-axis. Now you all tell me for y-axis, 1 centimeter. What's the difference? Say 5. 5 what? 5? 5. What is there? Not you. Workers are there, right? Workers. Does worker have any this one? Units? So you can take 5 workers. Yes. 5 workers. Is it wrong? You can take workers, students. 5 workers, 5 people. No, workers is what you have to mention. Whatever is given, mention that. Number of worker is given, mention that. Write the units. All of you all completed? Okay, next one. Next one, I'll just do the table, students. Table. And what they've given here. Haven't they given us unit? Take 2 centimeter is equals to 10 workers. That is the scale. They have mentioned the scale. Y-axis you have to take 2 centimeter, 10 workers, which means 2 boxes we have to take 10. 2 boxes 10 centimeters. X-axis take 1 centimeter is equals to 100 members. Fine. Okay, it starts from 750. Now tell me all the values first. Tell me the box, students. What is the box table we need to create? What lies between 750 and 850? How do you calculate? 850 minus 750 divided by 2. Not 10. Why 10? How many numbers are we using here? Dia, how many numbers? 2 values, right? Remember this, student. Remember like a trick. We are subtracting 2 values, so divide by 2. How much is 850 minus 750? 100 divided by 2 is? So add this 50 with all the first numbers. What's the table? 850. I mean 800, right? Next one. 850 plus 50 is? After that? 1000. 1000 and 1001. And the values are same. 52, 41, 65, 54, 30. Yes, extra column should be there, but that is not required, right, to write here. Extra column, okay. Even for the previous one, I told you, all right, extra column, you write. See, extra column is, what's the extra column we get, students, before 750 to 800? See, this 750 will get repeated. What's the difference between each value? 100, right? So it should be 650 to 750. So 800, 900, 1000. Before 800, what value will do we have? Before 800, we'll have 700. So you can take this 650 to 750 column, and no value for that. You can just keep it as 0. Which one, ma'am, did Abigail? Did she take 700, the top one or bottom? Which one did she write? Like the first one or the second one? Ma'am didn't write the first one like this? Okay, then that is just for calculation. Then just ignore, students. You all are so late. After solving, you all are telling me this. Did ma'am write any table? Did ma'am do the table? Which table? Same like this, just extra number, front and back. Class interval, class marks, and okay, class interval, class marks, frequency. Fine, now I understood, students. You can write it in this horizontal way. Class interval. What are the 3 things? Okay, class interval. What are the 3 things? Class interval, class marks. See, again, today, even today, you're telling it too late. In the end, you're telling me again. Why didn't you tell me before? Huh? After completing everything, you're telling me this. Okay, same thing, students, same thing. Just look here. Class interval is nothing but this 35 to, what's the first one we have? 35 to 40. I'm telling for the previous question, for the previous one. So before 35 to 40, what do we have? We have to take 30 to 35. After this, is this the way Abigail, ma'am did? 45 to 50. Tell me all these values, students. 50 to 55. 55 to 60. This is known as class marks. Then take one extra value, take 60 to 65. Can you see we have taken two extra values? And for that, the frequency will be 0. The values are not given. For other things, you can take the same frequency, 6, 17. Make a note of this. So write this table, students. Erase all the other table. For fourth question, write this table. And for third question, do it on your own and send it. Write this table, 30. Then we have 8. Then we have 3. Very quick, I'll tell you how to find the class marks. Same calculation, I'll tell you how to find it. Just copy this. That's it. Last one. 5th and 6th, we'll complete it tomorrow. And Friday, I'll be starting the new chapter, polygon. I'll complete that polygon. It would take 2 days. Friday and Saturday, I'll complete it. Not polygon, quadrilateral. Okay, so even for first, second, third, for all the questions, do the graph like this, students. Construct a graph, the table like this. Class interval, class marks, frequency. For class interval, take the first column. For frequency, take the second column. Class marks, I'll tell you the calculation. Last, another 2 minutes, we'll end the class. Complete it till here, all of you are done? Okay, and don't write this in the graph, write it on the right hand side. Graph is only for drawing the diagram. Now class marks, how will you calculate class marks? What's the difference between 35 and 30? 5 divided by 2? Add 2.5 with all the first value. What is 30 plus 2.5? Next. Okay, like this you have to. You have completed. All of you understood? Any doubts in this? 52.5, 57.5, 62.5. Completed. Now, while constructing the graph, students, remember this. While constructing graph, make use of first and third column. Take the first column, start from 30. Yeah, be quick. Just complete this. We'll end the class. I'll just quickly draw here. Start from 30, 30, 35, 40, 45 each box, 50, 55. Before 0 and 30, there is no value. Draw a line like this. Left hand side, it is 3 times table. Take 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Start plotting, right? All this like this. You'll get a graph. Then all the middle term. Just plot the middle terms like this. All of you have completed this. They will draw the table. The graph will be the same, students. Graph is same. Don't get confused. Look, I've taken this and frequency this. Now, the middle part, class marks, you have to plot it here. Class marks. What is the first one we have? 37.5 and 6. So right here, 37.5 comma 6. For the second one, what do we have? 42. In the same way, just complete. Okay, draw these 3 columns and complete. Okay, today we have solved 2 graphs. Table, you all do that. For the third one also, you'll draw the table like this, construct a table and send it. Fine, that's it for today. You all can leave. Log in at 7:30 tomorrow. All of you will send the graph. You all can leave, students.